Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable person accounts in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our setup menu, go to setup, and from there we need to search for person accounts. So here it's just type person, and from there we will find the person accounts. So from there we need just to go through these steps, and basically you can uh, search for all these. So already I have my read permissions, I have organization wide sharing, and now we need just to find the create account record types. So basically you can simply go to the object manager and then it will take us to the account, and from there you can create record type. So basically I'm just going to create any record type so we can be able to let's just use test or anything, and basically the name, and I'm just going to click on next in save. So after that you will need just to click on save, and that's it. And then we will go back, let's choose any page layout. I'm just going to click save again, and then we will need, we have our record type, and then we will need just to have our uh, step that has been good or checked. Now you will need just to review the impact of turning on the user here. So I'm just going to click I understand, continue, and then you will need just to enable person accounts, and basically that's it. So you will need just to do that. And as you can see, you cannot disable this feature after it is enabled, and basically you will need just to click on enable, and that's it. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.